The Smart Villages initiative is a great example of what can be achieved when people work together across political lines and that benefit our rural communities. Thanks to the hard work and passionate commitment of Franc Bogovič, the Smart Villages dream is slowly becoming a reality in Slovenia and across Europe. By improving the rollout of smart technology, by increasing social cohesion, and by giving rural communities the tools to build their own future, Smart Villages can help to rejuvenate and revitalise our rural areas. This fits perfectly with the European Commission's vision for a better life in rural areas, as explicitly stated in the Cork II Declaration of 2016. So I want to recognise and indeed praise my friend Franc Bogovič for driving this great initiative forward, and I look forward to seeing more exciting developments in the coming months.